In this video, I'm just going to quickly show you how to reconnect your API keys to your Eazybot account. So here we are on our main dashboard, and click here. And what we're looking for is exchanges. From here, find your Eazybot and Binance connection and select edit. Now, from here, what we need to do is jump across to our Binance to edit the key. So here we are on our Binance. And what we need to do is find our settings, which is here on your little icon. Scroll down and select API management. And from there, what we need to do is click Create API. Give it a name. And I'm just going to call this Eazybot 1. Select Next. And what we need to do is go through the verification. So it'll be your 2FA, which is your phone number and email. So we'll just get the codes for there. And once you have your codes, paste them in and then select Submit. And where you'll be taken here. Now, from here, what we need to do is select the Edit Restrictions. So click in the Edit Restrictions. And what we're looking for is to select the Enable Spot and Margin Trading, and also go down to Restrict Access to Trusted IPs, which is at the bottom of the page here. Now, what we need to do is head back over to our Eazybot. And what we need to do is copy this IP trusted code in here. So copy, go back to Binance and paste it in here. Confirm. Once that's then confirmed, click Save. And once you've saved it again, you need to go through the verification. So this time it's wanting my cell number verification. So wait for the code, type your code in, and then submit. Now what we need to do is select or copy, the API key back over to Eazybot, paste it in your key. And then we need to go and get the secret key from Binance. I'm just trying to save that. I'll go back. I'll copy this secret key here. I'll paste it in here, and then I'll save. And then I'm just going to save again. So there you go, that is it done. Now what we need to do is just activate any bots that you have by going over to your bots. And as you can see, these are not activated, so click open. And scroll down, and what you need to do is go to settings. And then status inactive, just change it to active. Save, and do the same for any other bots that you have. So click open, navigate to settings, go down to status and change it from inactive to active. Save, and that is it. That is all your bots now active.